Federal Bank. Lot of people have asked. Reason I will come there down. Ranking. Earnings rank is 66.2. Fairly good. There are about 35% of companies that is better than Federal Bank in the market today. Well, that said, it is not lucrative. When the ranking is less than 70, it is kind of a depleting company. We don't touch a company that is less than 70 in rank unless other qualifiers are there. So 66.2, it is just below 70. Things can improve. Don't know as of now. Price rank is very, very poor. So big investors are not interested in this stock. It is struggling, badly struggling. 13.5 is very bad. Well, that said, there are some opportunities in this stock. Stock is valued at 25% of the industry peers. That is, in the banking sector, if a company is valued at 100 rupees, Federal Bank is valued at 25 rupees. So immediately there will be some sparks coming in people's mind that, okay, another 75% is there for me to make money. It is lucrative. No, it's not like that. And in the market, price goes up or down, it has a reason. Simply price will not come, and suddenly a stock will not become lucrative and stay there for a very long time. It just gets noticed immediately and people will buy the stock and move the price up. So if it is down, there is a reason behind it. So business is going up by 10% while profit is declining 20%. Can we see the reason now? Why there is no interest? Though business is going up, at double speed profit is coming down. Soon it'll have a big problem also. One big good news is in, I think, September result, NPS got reduced. I think it went to 0.99 or something from a very high number. This was good news. And due to this, there is some change that has happened in the stock. Retail investors' favorite. I said, so many people asked because this is what is happening. Lot of retail investors are there in the stock. Institutions are shying away. Nobody is interested in the stock. Probably it will come up now. Things are changing for the stock. Retail have taken a big exposure. Looks like there is a turnaround likely for Federal Bank. Maybe this week it can happen. How long it will run, we don't know, because it tried one attempt and it had failed. Similar kind of pattern we had in Axis Bank. Axis Bank went up now. And almost similar pattern was there in HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank stayed in sideways range for some time and now it's broken out. So this bank can be like that too. It can, now signal is coming. If it is getting strong, it can go up. If not, it can drop. While signal is there, we can take use of it. Our views, Federal Bank on profit side, speed of the rank is improving and there is a potential reversal coming up soon. This is our thoughts and ideas on the stock. Do your judgment. Already there is a lot of people who have invested and probably lost money, are staring at losses in their account. Make a right decision. Have stop loss. Don't take a position to make 1 rupee profit by taking 2 rupees risk. That is killing ourselves. That is for Federal Bank from our side.